Hello students, in the last class we have learned how to read and write a time for quarter 2 and quarter past. And in this class we are going to learn about days of the week. So, how many days are there in a week, students? Yes, very good. There are 7 days in a week. So, the first day of the week is Monday. The second day of the week is Tuesday. Next, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So, everyone's favorite is Sunday because it is a holiday. Yes. So, now you already knows the days of the week, and now you need to answer for these given questions. Fill in the blanks. The first one is the first day of the week is Monday. What is the first day of the week? Monday. And the second day of the week is Tuesday. First day of the week is Monday. Monday is the first day of the week and Tuesday is the second day of the week. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday is sixth day of the week. And Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Got it, children? So you need to fill all those answers here. Okay, right? Which is the third day of this week, and which is the fourth day of the week, which is the fifth day of the week, which is the sixth day of the week, and which is the seventh day of the week. And you are going to write this, fill in the blanks in your notebook. Write days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Then write all these in your notebook. Okay, students? So now here we have months in a year. So students, there are how many months in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. So what are those 12 months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So these are the 12 months in a year. So in one year there are 12 months. So now in January month, how many days will come? In January month there are 31 days. Okay. In the month of January, there are 31 days. And in the month of February, there are 28 or 29 days. Okay. In February month, there are 28 days. But only during leap year, there will be 29 days in the month of February. Then in the month of March, how many days will be there? 31 days. In the month of March, 31 days. And in the month of April, 30 days. In the month of April, there are 30 days. And in the month of May, there are 31 days. And in the month of June, 30 days. And in the month of July, 31 days. And in the month of August, again 31 days. July also have 31 days. August also have 31 days in that month. And in September, there are 30 days. And in October, 31 days. And in November, 30 days. And in December, there are 31 days. So now, these all are months in a year and these are the days in that particular month. Okay. In January month, 31 days will be there, and in February month, 28 or 29 days will be there. 29 days when it will come? Only during leap year. Every 4th year once it will come. And in the month of March we have 31 days. In the month of April 30 days. And in the month of May 31 days are there. And in the month of June 30 days are there. In July 31 days are there. And in August 31 days. September 30 days. October 31 days. November 30 days. And December there are 31 days. So like we have 30 and 31 days in a month, not more than 31. Only we have 30 and 31 days in a month. So now we learned that there are 7 days in a week and 12 months in a year, and how many days in 1 month and all. Yes. So but to know that the which day is going on now and which month, to know about it, what we should have from with the help of what we will come to know that which month is going on and which day is going on and which date is today and all. From which, yes, we can come to know this with the help of calendar. With the help of calendar. Okay, with the help of this calendar we will come to know which month is going on and which day is going on and what is the date today and all. Okay, now I have here 2020 date calendar. Last year calendar I have here of January month. Likewise, this is the calendar. In this calendar there will be a 12 pages. This is of January and February, March, April, like this 12 pages it will be having of each month. Now this is the page of January month. So we already know that how many days are there in a January month? 31 days. So that 31 days are mentioned on this page. This January month have 31 days, and the first date of the January month is which day? Wednesday. So with the help of this calendar we will come to know which day is today and what is the today's date and all. So the first day of the January month is Wednesday, and the second day of the January month is Thursday. Means Thursday is the date on January month of Thursday is 2. Okay, like this you need to find the dates. Okay, if for example just assume that this is the calendar of 2021 year, means this year January month. Okay, today is which day? Today is Thursday. So today is Thursday, so the date is 2. Yes, but according to 2021 calendar today is Thursday, but the date is what? What is the date today? Yes, very good, it's 7. So with the help of calendar we will come to know the day and the date of that particular day. Understood? Very good. So students, for you people I got this year calendar of January month 2021. Okay, so which day is today? Today is Thursday. So on Thursday what is the date? What is the date on Thursday? 7. Okay, today is Thursday, the date is 7. Like this you need to see the date on the calendar, and with the help of this calendar we will come to know which day is going on. Yes, today is Thursday, and on Thursday what is the special? Okay, it will be written on that calendar. Today there is nothing, but if you observe on 14th it is mentioned in a red font. Yes, 14 is mentioned in red font and 26 is mentioned with a red color, and all Sundays are mentioned with red color. So what this red color number shows? The red color number shows holidays. If it is written with a red color, it will be a holiday during that day. So students, using this calendar we will answer the questions which is given in your textbook. So what is the first question? Use calendar and answer the following questions they are given. The first question is, what is the day on Republic Day? So, when Republic Day will come, in which month it will come? It's very good. Republic Day will come on January month. So, January month, and on which date? 26. Okay. On 26 Republic Day will be there, and it will also be mentioned in the calendar. 26 date is there, and here they have mentioned 26 Republic Day. In some calendar, on that particular day only, means where 26 is there, below that only it will be written as Republic Day. So with the help of calendar, which day is today and what is special event on that day, we will come to know. Okay. So which day on Republic Day? It is on 26. Which day? Tuesday. On Republic Day it is a Tuesday. So write here as Tuesday. And the second question is, how many Sundays are there in this month? In this month means in January month, how many Sundays will come? So let's count the Sundays now. Sunday 1, 2, 3, 4 and the last one 5. So there are 5 Sundays in the January month. Okay, right here 5 Sunday. And the third one, on which day will the next month start? The third question is what? On which day the next month will start? So the last day of this month is what? 31st. The last day of this month is 31st. Which date is? Sunday. So this month last day is Sunday. So the next day of the next month is what? Monday. Yes. In January month, the last day of that January month is Sunday. So it means that the first day of the next month is Monday. Yes. So the first day of the next month is Monday. Got it? So write here Monday. Understood, students? How to see the calendar and how to see the date and day and which event is going on that particular day and all. It's very good. So in the next class, we will learn to match the days according to day here. Okay, the events according to the day. We will match it in the next class. Bye bye. Thank you.